In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and go to the worksheet that contains the data you want to search. VLOOKUP is useful when you need Excel to look for a value in one column and return a related value from another column in the same row. In simple terms, it helps you match information quickly without searching manually. Once your file is open, select the cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell where Excel will display the matched value after you enter the formula. From there, type the VLOOKUP formula carefully. The structure is equals VLOOKUP, then an open parenthesis, followed by the value you are searching for, then a comma, the table range, another comma, the column number you want to return the value from, another comma, and finally false for an exact match, then close the parenthesis. For example, if you want to find the name that matches the ID number 202, type equals VLOOKUP open parenthesis 202, comma, A3 colon B5, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Written out in Excel, that would be equals VLOOKUP open parenthesis 202, comma, A3 colon B5, comma, 2, comma, false close parenthesis. Here's what each part means. The number 202 is the value Excel will look for. The range A3 to B5 is the table where Excel will search, with the first column of that range containing the lookup values. The number 2 tells Excel to return a result from the second column in that selected range. False tells Excel you want an exact match, which is usually the best option when working with IDs, codes, or specific entries. After you finish typing the formula, press Enter. Excel will search the first column of the selected range, locate the matching ID, and return the related value from the second column. In this example, the result would be John. Make sure the value you're searching for is in the first column of your selected table range, because VLOOKUP only searches from left to right. Also, double-check your cell range and column number if the result does not appear as expected. And that's it. That's how to apply VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Once you understand the formula structure, it becomes a fast and reliable way to look up data in your spreadsheets.